Yo, what's going on YouTube? Gotta coming at y'all with a basic tutorial setup on how to edit your videos through Windows. You don't really gotta download anything. It's literally a free software already downloaded onto your computer. But if you're using Streamlabs basically and you're streaming or you want to record, just go to your output, go to recording, use whatever folder you want. Make sure it's MP4 recording format. Boom. Let me show y'all right here. Go to output, go to recording, choose your file right here, recording format, you want it to be MP4. Whatever your bitrate, you could test whatever stuff. I'm not gonna get into all that. And yeah, so you just click your Windows key or go to Windows and type in Photos. This is literally what it is, Photos app. You can open that. I already got it set to my desk jump, and then you go to create new video. Boom. Type it. It's not going to be full on editing. I'm just show you like how to trim stuff. So let's go to one of my recorded gameplays. Boom. This is what I use, by the way. I don't use anything else. This is all I got. Alright, so you want to drag this folder down to your storyboard. It's 32 minutes. Alright, everything is basically right in front of you. You can set the speed of the video, filters, whatever. But I'm gonna show you how to quickly just get what you want. You could. Alright, the beginning of the gameplay. This is all on live stream too. See, like, do that. Can edit to where you want to end it. Boom, done. Now look at that. You got a 7-minute video. Transactions and stuff. I don't know. And then you want to click finish video. It'll export. It'll save it to your file. You can upload it to YouTube straight away. And yeah, hopefully this help you. Short tutorial real quick. And yeah, boy got it, and I'm out. Peace.